Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for bird owners, the best powder-coated 36 by 24 by 66 inch withstand parrot cage. Specifically, we're talking about the Prevue Pet Products Wrought Iron Flight Cage with stand in chalk white, a premium, thoughtfully designed home for your feathered companions. Let's get into why this birdcage stands out from the flock. First off, size and versatility. Measuring 31 inches long, 20.5 inches wide, and standing tall at 53 inches, this cage offers ample space for multiple small birds like parakeets, canaries, or finches. The internal dimensions provide 30.25 inches in length, 20.25 inches in width, and a generous 40 inches in height. That's a great amount of room for birds to stretch their wings and truly fly within the safety of their home. The 1/2-inch wire spacing keeps smaller species safe while still providing excellent ventilation and visibility. Now, let's talk build quality. The cage is constructed from powder-coated steel, making it both non-toxic and pet-safe. Not only does this offer a sleek aesthetic in its chalk white finish, but it also ensures long-lasting durability. Whether you're placing this cage in a sunroom or a cozy corner of your home, it blends beautifully while standing up to the daily needs of active pets. What really makes this cage user-friendly is the thoughtful design that prioritizes convenience. It features 2 large front doors for easy access, and 6 side doors that make it a breeze to reach nesting areas or refill food. The pull-out bottom grille and removable plastic tray make cleaning quick and painless, so you can spend less time on maintenance and more time bonding with your birds. Inside the cage, you'll find 4 plastic feeder cups and 3 wooden perches. These accessories provide variety and comfort, helping create a stimulating environment that keeps your birds engaged and active. The flight cage stand itself is built on easy rolling casters, so moving it from room to room is no hassle. Plus, the integrated storage shelf beneath the cage is perfect for holding food, toys, or cleaning supplies. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions and an intuitive layout that allows even first-time bird owners to set it up confidently. Once assembled, it feels sturdy, secure, and ready for years of use. Whether you're housing a single bird or several, the Prevue Pet Products Wrought Iron Flight Cage with stand truly raises the bar. Its combination of spaciousness, durability, ease of cleaning, and mobility make it a top-tier choice for pet owners who want to give their birds the freedom they deserve, all while keeping them safe and comfortable. So if you're on the hunt for the perfect home for your feathered friends, this is a fantastic choice worth considering. That wraps up our deep dive on today's product. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more honest and in-depth product critiques. This is Product Critique, where we make smart shopping simple. See you in the next video.